Well, it's not Christmas, so Mr. and Mrs. Claus are snug in their bed, snoring away. And when you switch them on, they snore and whistle jingle bells. Let's try Mrs. Claus.